The Power of Critical Thinking, a comprehensive guide. Critical thinking is a valuable skill that enables individuals to analyze information, evaluate evidence, and make informed decisions. In today's fast-paced and increasingly complex world, critical thinking is more important than ever. Whether you're a student, professional, or simply a curious individual, developing your critical thinking skills can help you navigate the challenges of modern life. What is critical thinking? Critical thinking is the systematic evaluation and analysis of information and ideas to form a judgment or decision. It involves identifying biases, challenging assumptions, and considering multiple perspectives to develop a well-supported conclusion. Critical thinking is not simply a matter of accumulating knowledge, but rather a process of evaluating and synthesizing information to form a deeper understanding. The benefits of critical thinking. Developing your critical thinking skills can have numerous benefits, including 1. Improved decision-making. Critical thinking enables you to evaluate information, identify biases, and make informed decisions. 2. Enhanced problem-solving. Critical thinking helps you analyze problems, identify solutions, and develop effective plans. 3. Increased creativity. Critical thinking encourages you to consider multiple perspectives, challenge assumptions, and develop innovative solutions. 4. Better communication. Critical thinking enables you to articulate your thoughts, evaluate evidence, and communicate effectively with others. 5. Improved academic performance. Critical thinking is essential for academic success, enabling you to analyze complex information, evaluate evidence, and develop well-supported arguments. The key components of critical thinking. Critical thinking involves several key components, including 1. Analysis. Breaking down complex information into smaller components to understand and evaluate. 2. Evaluation. Assessing the credibility and reliability of information to form a judgment or decision. 3. Synthesis. Combining information to form a new understanding or perspective. 4. Inference. Drawing conclusions based on evidence and reasoning. 5. Reflection. Considering multiple perspectives and evaluating your own thought process. Strategies for developing critical thinking skills. Developing your critical thinking skills takes practice, patience, and persistence. Here are some strategies to help you improve your critical thinking. 1. Ask questions. Encourage yourself to ask questions, challenge assumptions, and seek clarification. 2. Analyze information. Break down complex information into smaller components to understand and evaluate. 3. Evaluate evidence. Assess the credibility and reliability of information to form a judgment or decision. 4. Consider multiple perspectives. Seek out diverse perspectives and evaluate the strengths and weaknesses of each. 5. Practice reflection. Regularly reflect on your thought process, evaluating your own biases and assumptions. Real-world applications of critical thinking. Critical thinking is essential in a wide range of real-world contexts, including 1. Business and entrepreneurship. Critical thinking enables entrepreneurs to evaluate market trends, identify opportunities, and develop effective business strategies. 2. Healthcare. Critical thinking is critical in healthcare, enabling professionals to evaluate